Hi, I'm Jaden. I'm currently at Studio IPSY. I've been an IPSY subscriber for so long, so I'm very excited to do this. But it is time to unbox my April Glam bag in BoxyCharm. So let's get right into it because I'm dying to know what's in here. Starting off with Glam bag, look how cute this is. This reminds me of just like the orangecicles that you would eat in springtime. It is just so cute. And also the charm, I'm obsessed and just the color is perfect. First up, we have the KIRAMOON Gentle Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I have definitely used this brand before, but also this is made for people who have sensitive skin, which is perfect because I try a lot of products out on my face and I want something that's not gonna strip the oils from my skin, but it also has ceramides and rose water in it. I am so excited to add this to my routine. Next up, we have the Benefit Professional Deep Retreat Mask. This is perfect for any self-care night with the girls, so make sure to bring this. Let's open her up. The color? Okay, this is such a deep purple color. This color is insane. It smells so nice and refreshing too. I feel like this is perfect after an everything shower. I love it. Okay, next up we have the Color Wow Dream Coat Spray. First off, this size is perfect for any travel plans, so you can just stick that in your bag. But I love this because it's an anti-frizz, anti-humidity spray, so it's just perfect if you have any of those flyaways or frizz. Next up, we have the BLINC Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. I've actually never heard of this brand before, and I'm always looking for new brands to try out, so I'm really excited about this one. Let's give it a look to see how she is. This is what the wand looks like. I love it. I love tubing mascaras because I feel like they just work so much easier when you're trying to get your makeup off at the end of the day instead of getting all on your face. So I always try to opt for a tubing mascara. And I just love this because it looks so natural without overdoing it and having like a ton of makeup on. So I just love this for the springtime. Lastly, we have the LITHE Nano Fill Brow Pencil, which is perfect because I've been on a hunt for a very natural looking brow pencil. I love how this has a double end where one is the eyebrow pencil and one has a spoolie, so you can kind of just blend out your brows better, but let's give her a try. I love how this looks so natural, just blending into my brows. And now I'm gonna use the spoolie to blend her out. Cute, I love this so much. Okay, I'm absolutely obsessed with everything I got in the bag, but let's also get into BoxyCharm. Okay, it is time to open her up and see what's inside. Okay, I'm seeing an eyeshadow palette, which I was really wanting one, so let's see what she's all about. Okay, when it comes to the palette, which I had my eye on, this is the NATASHA DENONA palette. I've never had one of hers, so I'm really excited to see how it is. Okay, look how beautiful. These are the most perfect neutral colors, which I tend to look for, especially during spring. So I really want to try some out on my eye. And this is so funny, but I actually like to apply my eyeshadow with my fingers. So let's give it a try. It just gives you the perfect little shimmer to make your eyes look open and awake. So cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. Okay, next up we have the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Longwear Eyeliner. I love Rare Beauty, it's one of my favorite brands, so I'm so excited this is in here. I've tried their liquid eyeliner before, but I've been wanting to try their gel one, so this is perfect. Okay, let's try this out. I'm so excited to try out the gel. Okay, first off, it goes on so nicely. Let's blend it out. This is honestly gonna be great for a smoky eye, and I'm just so excited to add this to my collection. Okay, next up we have the Feel Probiotic Moisturizer, which is perfect because I feel like we're all getting over the dryness from winter, so this is perfect for spring. This is so moisturizing and it just comes on so nicely where it's lightweight but also really hydrating. It honestly smells perfectly like spring. It's very much like herbs and minty. It's so nice. Okay, next up is from F.A.R.A.H and it is a highlighter. This is seriously such a beautiful color, almost coppery and a little champagne color. So beautiful. Look at that, that is stunning. The one last thing in the box, let's see what it is. The RODIAL Pore Finding Cleanser. First off, the packaging is gorgeous with the pink. I'm excited for this because it's a lift and illuminate cleanser, a gel cleanser, but let's see how it smells. Wow, the smell is just so rosy, so sweet and fresh, so I'm really excited for this cleanser. I'm absolutely obsessed with everything I got. I feel like everything was just perfect for spring. I'm obsessed and I'm excited to go try out all these products. Let me know what your favorite product is below, and don't forget to subscribe to IPSY, and I will see you next time.